Hi, this is Lei from NovaStar Technical Support team. Today I'm going to introduce the Armor Series receiving cards, rotation features. After watching this video, you should understand what is the rotation and why rotation. Then how to make this by Armor Series receiving cards. Hope it's helpful to you. We know that when the screen shape is rectangle, we usually need to change the direction of the cabinet to fit in the screen. In the past, we need to make a new video by a video software. The problem is too slow and high cost. Before I introduce the NovaStar rotation technology, I would like to start with what is the rotation features. I have divided the rotation features into two modes, rotated per 90 degrees. And free rotation. Per 90 degree means rotate the cabinet 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270 degrees. And free rotation means the cabinet rotation at any angles, like 360 degrees, to display plentiful and more creative images. But this technology, you have to use the controller R5. But today, we are mainly talking about rotated per 90 degree because this is more common thing and useful for your daily job. And before that, I give you the example. This is a example that's turn to right to left, left to right, 90 degrees rotation. So next is how to set the rotation. Before the Armor Series receiving cards, we have a very complicated way to do the rotation. We have to use the NovaLCT software, which is a configuration software. And like this page, on the bottom, there's a button, Smart Setting. We need to click the Smart Setting, and we get this page. And then from this page, we can export a RCFG file, which we also call it a configuration file. And we just use this file as a rotation file for you. So before, not all of our customers know how to make rotation by the smart settings, but this is the only way to do that. So after we have an Armor Series receiving cards, things will be easier. Like same thing, NovaLCT software. And on this page, receiving card page, we can see on the right side, you can see the set rotation small button, and just click it, and you will get this secret page: 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270 degrees. So this is as an option to you. You can select any of them very easily. For example, you can click the 90 degree and then just send to receiving card. Click here, and after that, click save. So after this, things just finished. So your screen is rotated. For this, you can see it's much easier than the smart setting ways. So finally, I want to do the summary. For all Armor receiving cards, as rotation per 90 degree, all the Armor receiving cards support it. But for free rotation, compare with controller R5, only Armor AAS and A10S Plus receiving cards support it. You should know that. And this is all the information for today. And thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.